amount 10 lakh rupees after 5 years. Laila aspires to buy a car 10 lakh rupees after 5 years. Okay. So after 5 years, she should have 10 lakh rupees to buy the car. And the next thing is, what is the minimum amount in rupees that she should deposit now in the bank, which offers 10% annual rate of interest, and if the interest was compounded annually. Interest is compounded annually, so the formula will be amount equal to principal amount into 1 plus r by 100 whole power t. This is compound interest calculated annually. This is the formula for compound interest calculated annually, and we know the amount the person should have after 5 years of time is 10 lakh rupees, and the rate of interest calculated is 10%. Okay, this is the rate of interest. So after 5 years, this is the time, and this is capital A value. After 5 years, person should have 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so whatever we know, we will just substitute. So 10 lakh rupees is the amount person should have. Principal amount, now how much they have to invest. So 10% is the annual rate of interest after 5 years. Okay. Now if you see, this is 10 lakh rupees P, and here it is 1 by 10, which is 11 by 10 whole power 5. 11 by 10 whole power 5. Okay. So cancellation 11 by 10 whole power 5. And if you still simplify this, what I will do is, in a short way, what can be done? So it is 1.1 whole power 5, 1.1 whole power 5. Okay. And if you take P as subject, what we can do? 10 lakhs divided by 1.1 into 1.1, okay, into 1.1 into 1.1, 5 times 1.1, okay. So we will calculate what is this value. Okay, 10 lakh rupees divided by 5 times 1.1, 5 times 1.1. .1 into 1.1 into 1.1. This is the third time I am writing. Into 1.1 into 1.1. Okay. So 5 times it is 1.61051. Okay. So 1.61051. I have 10 lakhs, 00. Okay. This is 10 lakhs divided by 1.61051. So the answer is 620,921. Okay, 620,921 rupees. 620, okay, 921 rupees. If you approximate it, it is 621. See the answer, 620,921.32. Approximately 621,000 can be written. 621,000 can be written. So the answer is option B. Answer is option B. Okay. The answer is option B for this question. I am going to next problem. Industrial consumption of power doubled from 2000-2001 to 2010-2011, 2000-2001 and 2010-2011. So it has doubled, 10 years time. It is 10 years time. Find the annual rate of interest in percent, assuming in percent assuming it to be uniform over the years. Okay. So what I will do here, the industrial consumption of power doubled, which means A equal to 2P. Okay. This is 10 years of time. They are talking after 10 years. So time is 10 years. Annual rate of interest means R value we have to calculate. Okay. It is uniform over the years means it is compounded annually. So it is A equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power T, and this is equation 1. After 10 years, amount is doubled. Okay, power consumption is doubled. So A equal to 2P, 1 plus R by 100 whole power, it is 10 years time. Okay, 2000 to 2010, 10 years time. If you see here, this is getting cancelled. So 2 equal to 1 plus R by 100 whole power 10. Okay. So if you have A equal to e power x. Okay. So you can write it as log A base C equal to x. Similarly, the equation is here. What you can do is log 2 base 1 plus r by 100 equal to 10. Okay. So what I can further do is log 2 base 10 divided by logarithm 1 plus r by 100 base 10 equal to 10. Okay. So further calculation, it can be taken as log 2 base 10 divided by 10. This is log 1 plus r by 100 base 10. Okay. And if you see here the further calculation, it can be taken as without using calculator if you want to do. This is 1 by 10. Okay. So log 2 base 10, it is log 1 plus r by 100 base 10. And if you take it as 10 power minus 1, okay, or this entire power you can take to the power of 2 power 1 by 10 base 10 equal to logarithm 1 plus r by 100. So if you cancel the logarithm base 10, 2 power 1 by 10 is the value of 1 plus r by 100. Okay. So 2 power 0.1. 2 power 0.1 minus 1 is nothing but r by 100. R value is 100 into 2 power 0.1 minus 1. Okay. So you can calculate this R value.